Hey, this is going to be an animated book review of Compelling People, The Hidden Qualities That Make Us Influential by John Neffinger and Matthew Kohut. Niccolo Machiavelli said, "It is better to be feared than loved if you cannot be both." And in this book, the authors explain that influential people typically have two qualities. The first is warmth, and warmth is shown through estrogen, and they say that women find it a lot easier to show warmth, especially older people. Older people can show warmth a lot stronger than younger people. People with wider cheeks typically look like they smile a lot, so people approach them more. And since they are approached more, they become better at talking, and that makes them more influential and compelling. They get great at talking to people. They get great at being influential and compelling. A little trick you can do to show some warmth is by closing the distance between you and a group of people, or you and someone else. If you close this space, it shows, hey, I'm comfortable around you. You should be comfortable around me too. Another little trick is to mirror someone. So, for example, if they cross their arms, you can cross your arms too. Or, if they cross their legs, you can cross your legs, and so forth, and other little stuff like this. Another slight little trick you can do is tilt your head just slightly. And what this will do is it exposes your neck, and on a biological level, it's basically you saying, I feel comfortable around you, because there is an artery in the neck that is very vulnerable, and by showing them that, they automatically feel more comfortable around you and see you as a compelling person. You also have to get great at emphasizing and validating others' feelings. Now, the other quality is strength, and strength is associated with testosterone, and younger men generally have high testosterone levels, and they are literally physically strong. But you can be strong verbally, you can be strong emotionally, mentally. You can be strong in other ways, such as upright posture. Just by straightening your back a little bit, pushing your chest out, and you're pulling your shoulders back will make you seem like a stronger person. In fact, it'll actually send chemicals to your brain that induce a confidence rush. Another way of showing your strength is by doing the opposite of what you did with warmth. That is, opening the space. Distancing, making a little bit more space between you and other people, and using this space to throw your arms around and make ginormous hand gestures. This makes you seem like a larger person, which in turns makes you seem like a stronger person. You should also try to avoid using filler words like because what you're doing is you're basically telling the audience, hold on while I think. To be shown as a strong person, you should try to avoid these. And also you should try to avoid touching your face. A lot of presidents have learned this, and senators have learned this, that when they touch their face, people associate them with being untrustable. And to grow a strong character, you should be true to your word, and you should never lie. And this shows strength. And to become a compelling person, you must find the perfect way to balance this warmth and this strength, the estrogen and the testosterone. Remember that quote at the beginning? Should you be feared or loved? Well, this book is saying that you should try to be both. And in the book, they explain ways that everyone is dealt a hand. Everyone is either stronger with strength or everyone is either stronger with warmth. Generally, women are more warm and men are stronger. And you have to find a way to balance these. And once you balance these, you'll become an extremely influential person. And by reading the book, you'll learn how. I give a few tips here, but the book gives a lot of great examples. One quote that the authors said in this book was, if you want to be liked, you have to like people. And I really like this quote. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you learned something. If you want more, subscribe. Thanks for watching.